taking off the cover, this plastic cover. Shows the parts of the truck. The motor is here. We'll be able to turn it over in a few minutes and look underneath. This is the power supply. These are various power and control lines that are going back to the trailer. The trailer has a cover that also comes off. I'll take that off.
This is...
You just lift it. Now we can see various pieces. The computer is here. This computer allows the realization of real-time neural network that does the steering control. We can see here a potentiometer that senses the difference in angle between the truck and the trailer. There is a second potentiometer. You may not be able to see it very well. The second potentiometer senses the angle between the second trailer and the first trailer, done by a remote control by a radio link. The radio control unit is shown right here. In order to steer the truck, you turn this. The throttle is here, which is a finger grip. I'll show you that in a few moments. Now, if we look over here, we can see the steering. That as I rotate this wheel, you can see the front wheels of the truck operating as so. And now, I'll show how the throttle works. And Marcelo, I think you're going to have to come over here and lift up the truck so that I can operate it. Here's the trigger, my trigger finger. So if I pull this trigger forward, then the truck goes forward. If I push it the other way, it goes in reverse. So that's reverse, and here's forward. So that's how it works. Now, if I pull this faster, I can go slower or faster. Or slower. That's it. When the truck is going in the forward direction, it is a normal truck, and the steering just directly operates the steering of the front wheels, and it steers just as if a real truck would. When going backward, in the backward direction, there are two modes that are possible. In one mode, the truck is a normal truck, so steering it would be done by controlling the little wheel, this one, and this would operate the front wheels just as we've seen before, and this would be quite difficult, as it is difficult to back up a trailer. And backing up a double trailer is basically impossible. No professional truck driver could really do it. On the other hand, another mode when backing up is the neural net mode. And in this case, we send the steering signal into the computer, which is implementing a neural net. And the output of the computer, in other words, the output of the neural net, is used in doing the actual steering of the front wheels. So the little steering wheel here on the remote control unit does not directly control the direction of the front wheels of the truck. The direction of the front wheels of the truck would be controlled by the computer. This merely sends signals into the computer. Other signals that go into the computer are the angles of the two potentiometers. So with that information, the computer, in implementing the neural net, has the capability to provide steering of the truck. And the wishes and desires of the person controlling with the remote control unit are implemented by the computer. The neural net must be trained, and the training of the neural net is done offline with a simulator of the truck. The weights of the neural net are contained in this floppy disk, which is then inserted into the slot as so, and in that way the weights are then transferred to the computer implementation of the neural net. Now we will reassemble the truck, have it all together so that we can demonstrate it backing up with and without the neural network. You've seen is the maneuvering of the truck going backwards under the control of the neural net. So the neural net is an interface between me and the truck. Now I'm going to make a switch and have this truck operate as a normal truck. So I'll make the switch now by turning the remote unit off momentarily, turning it back on again. And now the truck will be able to operate as a normal truck. So now I'll be steering it as a truck driver would. But I'll be using my little wheel, my little steering wheel. So let's see what happens if I can steer this thing. Go backwards without the neural net.
I already told her.
Jackknife. I think it's impossible. What I will do now is switch it back to neural net operation. So I'll, again, momentarily shut the unit off, turn it back on again, and now we're back on with the neural net. Back to the neural net. There you have it. The neural net wins. Again.